Get a feel for the 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Equinox, the small SUV with a big spirit of adventure. Passenger-friendly, loaded with safety features, and great for hauling cargo, it's an ideal family car. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.